Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. Sorry no Sunday chat today. Look at this. Unheard of. Paphiopedilum Black Jack, the bud, has a secondary bud. Tiny one. I don't know what's going to happen with that. I've never seen that before. Not on that type of fella, not Paphiopedilum. Anyway, in place of Sunday chat, a quick look at the work me and Hannah did. I know it's a garden video really, and I'll talk quietly because it's Sunday morning and it's early. So all this has been cleared up. Path edging, paths swept, and all round here has all been cleared up and tidy. Still got the hose to put away, but yeah, so that's what we did yesterday. We trimmed all the edges back, did all the joints in the paving, and got everything nice and tidy. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.